He's a convicted sex offender now on trial for killing Ty Thomas in 2010. All the evidence has been presented in the case against Joshua Keadle. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski explains what the defense said happened to Thomas and why it may have backfired.
It's the final day of testimony in the disappearance and presumed murder of 19-year-old Ty Thomas. She went missing after a party at Peru State College in 2010. Joshua Keadle's attorneys continue his defense. Dr. Thomas Young, a forensic pathologist, testifies about hypothermia. The defense argues Thomas was drunk, disoriented, and didn't have a coat on. An exhibit says it was below freezing the night she went missing.
Somebody who's basically drunk can basically wander off. Having alcohol in their system impairs their ability to maintain warmth because the blood vessels underneath the skin are not constricted.
The defense points at her drinking and possible exposure to the cold as the reason she wasn't able to find her way back to campus.
What sort of cognitive functioning is affected by hypothermia?
How alert somebody is and how clearly they think.
But prosecutors question the witness about why a person's body temperature falls so much they die. Dr. Young says he performed about a dozen autopsies on people with hypothermia as the cause of death, and almost all the time it's by accident.
You were not saying then that it's not possible for someone to purposely take someone in a situation where they may never be able to get back to safety. That wasn't that wasn't the meaning.
If there was evidence of something like that, then you'd call it a homicide.
Jurors did not hear that Keadle is currently serving a 15 to 20-year prison sentence for rape at Midland College in Fremont. Now, prosecutors have suggested throughout trial that Keadle tied up Thomas and shot her, not that he left her at the river to die of hypothermia. Reporting in Beatrice, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
Closing arguments will take place on Wednesday.